In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the ADF Maintenance Kit in your Canon Business Inkjet WG7000 series. To begin, open the feeder cover on the top of your machine. Underneath the lid, locate this blue latch and gently pinch it together between your finger and thumb, which will release the document feed roller. Remove the new document feed roller from its box, being careful not to touch the roller areas. Install the new document feeder by carefully aligning this pin into this bracket, and then press the document feed roller securely into place. Next, let's replace the document separation roller. To begin, pinch the blue latch tightly together and pull the document separation roller up and out. Locate your new document separation roller, being careful not to touch the roller area. Install the new part by lining up this pin with this bracket and push down and into place. Go ahead and close the feeder cover. Now go to your Operations panel and select Menu, then Adjustment Maintenance and Maintenance, and then Initialize after replacing parts and select the ADF Maintenance Kit option, and then Initialize after replacing parts. Confirm that you did replace the kit and select Yes. Easy! Congratulations, you've replaced the ADF Maintenance Kit in your WG7000 and you're ready to start printing once again.